Y'all tired of them sky-high energy bills? Well, it turns out the answer might be right in front of you. Your windows. Energy-efficient windows ain't just something fancy to brag about. They're a smart investment for your home. They keep things cool in the summer and toasty in the winter, so you're comfortable year-round. Old windows, they let that heat and cold sneak right in, but energy-efficient windows, they've got double panes and insulation that keeps that outside air where it belongs. With less heat getting in the summer and less heat escaping in the winter, you'll need your AC and heater a whole lot less, meaning you could save up to 30% on those pesky energy bills. So here's the bottom line: lower energy bills, more comfort, a smaller footprint on the planet, and even bumping up the value of your home. With energy efficient windows, you're not just fixing up your house, you're fixing up your life, and it's a mighty fine improvement. Thinking it's time to make a switch? Give us a holler today and start saving big. Here at Texas Made Windows and More, we're proud to help y'all save money while staying comfortable. Give us a call today.